Honey, I'll be observing the stars with my sturdy telescope tonight.
Okay, but don't fall asleep out there again.
Oh, don't worry about that. I won't be long. What is happening here, kids? What are you waiting for?
We are waiting for Mutlu. He is supposed to give us a concert.
I think this is going to be his microphone. So he'll be the singer Mutlu tonight, right?
Yes, but the famous singer, astronaut, and discoverer Mutlu. He said so.
Bravo to my precious sweet boy. His numerous skills are more than I can count.
Mutlu, I told you to bring my racket back.
Why should I?
Mutlu?
Look, sis, please don't try to block my music career.
Oh, not this again.
How can you make music with a tennis racket? And what music career?
You don't know anything. This is exactly a guitar.
You heard me, Mutlu.
What? What was that? La 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 la.
What's up?
Mutlu took Neşe's tennis racket to play. Neşe got so mad. Mutlu didn't want to give it back. They shouted at each other a lot.
Oh.
And they're not talking anymore.
And he took it without asking?
He asked, but Neşe was reading. She probably said okay, not thinking.
Say what? It's weird they're not talking anymore. Oh.
Wait, I think I have a great idea for those two.
Sweetie?
Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everywhere life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside your heart.
Minnie Manny.